Alright, so welcome back to my channel. It's me again, your favorite colorist. Today I'm gonna show you how to install my Luts and a bit of a job as additional. Before we jump into our tutorial, I have two packs of light, which is I have 15 Luts for orange and teas and 10 Luts for the skin tone. Whenever you go buy all this pack at once, you go have 25 discount charges. Now let's jump into our grade. First, after download this Lut, you go see it zipped. You have to unzip the folder and then you copy that folder. After extraction, go back to your Davinci Resolve. You go see Lut panel up left here. Right click a Lut folder, choose open location for Windows users or reveal file to Mac users, then paste that folder in. Refresh the panel to see an update, then we already have everything we need. So let me try and make a job in here. This footage is a log, so I go convert from log to rec 79, primary correction, then choose water mode that I go work on perfect to my look, and then I go neutralize my skin tone perfectly, and then maybe I go construct pop to make this look a bit of HDR, and then maybe add some film grains and whatever. So I think it's amazing, yeah? Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you go do okay. If you never bought this Luts, I recommend you to buy this quick before the offer goes out. See you guys on next video.